CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today we are here at SM City Cebu. So we are here at SM City Cebu for the Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs Exhibition Uno first photo exhibit, photography workshop for anniversary sale and before sila ko gingon anniversary celebration, and before tayo masulod sa event venue, mag-ilis ako in 3, 2, 1. And yeah, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, share peace and love. Let's go.
Fish and love.
Hello, hi, SM City Cebu. Hi, Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs, and happy anniversary, guys!
Happy anniversary, guys! Congratulations!
Pleasant food to everyone. We are delighted to have you here to participate in the first anniversary event of Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs.
Hoy, bakit ako? Daw ka na.
Kalimit na Silona.
Ano din eh?
Wow.
Lagi-agian.
Nagubaan.
And that's her winning photo.
Congratulations!
Alright! So congrats!
The reason why I took the photo is, actually wala ko yung idea kung sa dyan akong i-picture. Nakita ko wearing para siya ko. Kasi wala siya describe about religion or faith. Thank you kayo. Second prize.
Actually, kaming picture, it was taken in Colon Street. That was exactly January 1. Gikan ko sa trabaho, nagkuhan while waiting for lift going home sa Minglanilla. Ngit-ngit kayo ang streets sa Pilanes. And then I saw this tao na natold. Thank you so much. This is Mr. Wilfredo Lentana Jr.
Give it up for our grand prize winner!
Sa smartphone.
Kani kita nga picture ay mga last minute na preparation na siya. So, wadyo ko kabalo ako sa akong buhaton. So, una-una ko nga mag-light painting lang ko using akong P9. Ang akong gigamit is Chinese candle, tas nag-draw ko buwan. Yan, nag-play lang ko perspective like idol. Ang baga sa Chinese candle niya, nag-form sa ko number 1. So, fire ang gigamit bito ay murag sa CMS bito nga murag gabaga sila gabaga sila na anytime ready sila mo release of energy. Thank you, admin CMS team. Hey, thank you.
Congratulations again.
Lara nilang bundil.
Lola, Erwin ako model. Salamat sa Team Rush Guard sa help and sa inspiration. Salamat.
Congratulations!
Mga Lodi!
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Thank you. Sikat na ko!
Congrats, Lodi! So guys, the opening program and the awards just finished and... Hi! Hi!
Ay, nangaon sa ito!
Una magkaon. Wala kami nangaon, gutom na kayo. It's already 12 kapin and then we're heading to the 3rd floor of SM City Cebu, fronting Max. And I'm with the Shutterbug of the Year, Manel. Woo! Congrats! Thank you! Mga lodi kayo. Mga lodi kayo sila. We're heading now to the exhibit for the ribbon cutting and I'm excited to see my photo because it's there. Oh my god guys, dara akong photo. Make sure to visit here at SM City Cebu, 3rd floor fronting Max Restaurant. Nadiri amo ang exhibit mga photos from Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs. Hi!
Hoy! Bitaw, follower.
Hello, thank you. So guys, we are here sa paborito nga tambayan ni Jilik. Ato diri sa kananan, panggutom na mi. Alauna na. Gutom na si Phil, gutom na si Jilik. Gutom na po kuan. Ito pa kanin.
Analizarco.
Si Analizarco. Muna gingon nga, like and subscribe, share, peace and love. And now we're back here at SM Food Court and we'll be back for the CMS workshop. Let's go in 3, 2, 1.
Good evening, everyone. Workshop with basic mobile photography. I'll just state some reasons. In photography, you try to pre-visualize. It's very, very helpful.
Guys, the workshop is done and then we have now an activity. We're able to shoot food here.
Yes. So please take it.
After how many attempts to edit my photos, bahala na eh. Sige lang, basta ano.
Photos, I'm still here.
My God! My God, busakbit ako guys. Sige lang. Hindi na ako mawasan. Mag-chat. Okay po.
No.
Ay. Wala na guys, pack up na ni guys. Ulit na ito na, let's go. See you in the next vlog na lang. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share, peace and love. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, share, peace and love. Bye-bye.